Okay, so let's continue with styling the card. We're not done with our card. So I'm gonna give it a border radius of 4 is too much. 2 is fine. That's fine. That's beautiful. Let's give it a color. Border color. I'm gonna give it a border color of G. You can't see that. That's good. It's not supposed to be that visible anyway. Now, a bottom width. By bottom width, I mean the distance from the word to the card. So bottom width of 1. A border bottom width. I mean, sorry guys. A border bottom width of 1. What else? Let me see how that looks. Okay, that's good. That's it's a little too much. Okay. No, 1 is fine. Okay, so now let's give it a margin. So it's always good to have margin. Margin left. Margin. See, if this was just React, you can just do margin, and then with React Native, you have to literally define everything. Margin right 5. Margin top 10. See how that looks? Okay, it's much better. Look at that. Okay, next. I'm gonna give it some shadow style. I should say shadow color. So you can see the shadow first. I'm gonna use green. Obviously, that's not a good shadow. Oh, you can't see it yet, but you see it. 1 second. Let's give it a. Let me give it an offset. With height 2. No, make the width 0 instead of 2. Let's see. Give it opacity. Here we go. So you see the shadow, right? But I'm gonna make the width 0. Okay, and then remove the green. Let's make it just regular. Okay, it's much better. What else can I add to this? Let's make it bigger, the shadow. So to do that, we can say shadow radius 2. Okay, it's much better. What else? Oh, elevation. Okay, done. All right, can I add something else? Let's see. So I want the email here, I want the password here, then I want the button around here. So you know what else we can do as well? So we have the card here. What I want is different card sections. That's what I want. Like another card within a card, but we call it a card section. So let's make that, and we'll pass it on through here. So a card section, basically, that we can use. So that would be like a card. So I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to make a card section, another component. I'm going to call it card section. Card section .js. And then obviously I'm going to export. I can't, for some reason I can't spell it no more. Card section. So I'm making a card section because there's 3 different sections. There's the email section, the password section, and the login section. So it's going to be a functional base, obviously. So it's going to resemble the thing a lot, the card. So I can just copy a lot of things from the card. So where's my card? I'm just gonna copy a lot of these stuff right here, and then I would obviously, let's see, what did I copy? Well, I'll change the name. Card section, and okay, this is fine. Let's change a lot of this. So I'm gonna, for the card section, first let's see how I want the card section so you guys can see. Go to the login form and let's add a card section here. Let's bring the card section. Card section. Why is it not showing? Card section from cards. Okay. Strange. Card. Oh, I know why. I have not exported the card. Beautiful. Let's see. I was surprised it wasn't showing. There we go. Card section. Beautiful. Because I had not exported the card yet. That's why. All right. So card section. So let's use it. So how many sections do I need? 3. So card section number 1. Bada boom. Card section number 2. Card section number 3. This would be email. You can put a little text here saying email. Obviously, this is not how it's gonna look. This is just boilerplate stuff, to tell you the truth. And then put the email here. You can actually just copy this. Okay, I'm making a mess. Another one, and then the third one. This would be password. And this would be the button. So we need to bring the button over here. And we put the button here. Do we need to pass anything to the button? We don't really need to do that, but we can say, let's see how this looks. I'm excited to see this. Okay, I mean, it can be much better than that. Let's say, doesn't the word pass from here, the button? Let's see. Well, that's the logout. This is the login. Look at me. Okay, login. Okay, something's wrong, obviously. My button is not showing as I want it to show. I think that's because I haven't styled the login form yet. It should still be, you know what? Let's add some style to it. Styles. I want view container, obviously. So first thing first, display. I'm gonna display. I'm gonna turn the display into a flex. Then I'm gonna do justify contents. No, flex direction has to be a column. Give it a flex direction of column. Then I'm gonna give it a justify content, which is the main axis, to be center. Justify contents. Let's hope it works. Okay, it didn't work the way I wanted it to work. Oh, that's because I haven't used it yet. View container. Okay, still not working working the way I want it to work. Well, let me take a look at this. I'll stop the video here so I can fix this little bug that's going on, and then I'll show you guys how I did it.